Hey there everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to do a boneless 180. Alright, so the boneless 180 is super easy to do. All you have to do is learn how to do a boneless first, which is basically on goofy position. You do an indie grab, take your front foot off, lift up, jump. And that's a boneless. And once you got the boneless, all you're going to do is add a 180. So you're standing goofy position, left hand down, indie grab, foot down, right foot. You're going to lift up, but this time you're going to twist your body and the board 180, and you're going to jump up and land back on it. I suggest for anybody that's just learning or beginning these tricks to go out and practice it on the grass. You just stand there in one spot, grab indie grab, foot down, lift up, turn around, jump and land. That's the boneless 180. Once you get that down, standing still, then you can do it moving like this. So you're moving, indie grab, foot down, lift up, 180, land. You can kind of do the trick in steps, and then once you get more comfortable, just do it all together. Like I said, step 1 is indie grab, step 2 is front foot down, step 3 is lifting up, and step 4 is turning and landing. When you put all those steps together, it looks like this. That's how you do the boneless 180. Hope this trick trip challenge helped you out. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see any other videos. Like this video and click that subscribe button for more. Everyone, go out and practice those boneless 180s.